Good day, everyone. I am Diana Faith M. Alcaro, a second-year student of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Section 23D from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Today, I'll be conducting an interview as part of our activity on business report writing. The goal of this activity is to understand how business communication and technical writing play a role in different professions. With that, I am honored to have with me Ms. Joy Reyes, who is a hospitality professional. Ms. Reyes has 10 years of experience in the hospitality industry and is currently working as a HR coordinator in Royce Hotel, Clark, Pampanga. I chose her because I want to know how business communication and technical writing are applied in the hospitality industry. Since this field focuses a lot on customer service and hospitality, I believe we can learn valuable insights from her experience. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you so much for taking the time to do this interview with me. I really appreciate it. Since our topic is about business communication and technical writing, I'd like to ask you a few questions about your own experiences with them. Would that be all right with you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the first question. What is your experience in writing business communication or technical paper?
Actually, I experienced on how to make an formal emails and letters, especially also report proposal, social media posts and announcement, and also on how to make a press release.
Thank you for sharing that, ma'am. It's nice to know that writing business communication and technical papers play an important role in your work. So now, moving on, what would you say are your strengths when it comes to writing these kinds of papers?
Actually, my strength in writing business communication will be on how to be clear and concise the language that you use, the grammar and the syntax, and also the versatility, the format. That's it.
Those are great strengths to have. And I think they really make a big difference in professional writing. How about the other side of things? What are some areas you still find challenging or consider as your weaknesses?
Actually, mostly the weaknesses will be a lack of clarity, especially if you're new on that business communication. You should the lack of clarity, the grammar punctuation that you use, the cultural sensitivity, and then the conciseness.
I see.
That's
And
all.
I really appreciate your honesty about that. I think many of us can relate to improving in those areas too. And finally, for our last question, what is the value of business communication and technical writing in your profession?
Actually, the value are you should building on how to build the relationship with the guest or the someone you on how to communicate them, the collaboration, the brand image, and also the customer satisfaction.
That's a great point. It really shows why writing is such an important skill, no matter what career you are in. So, to wrap it up, in
Mhm.
this interview showed me that business communication and technical writing are really important in any career. They help professionals, especially HR coordinators like Ms. Reyes, by giving clear instructions, keeping accurate employee records, and ensuring the policies are properly communicated. These skills also support teamwork, solve workplace issues, and maintain consistency across shifts. Well written communication reflects professionalism, builds employee trust, and strengthens the hotel's reputation. It also reminded me that communication and writing are valuable skills that professionals in various fields use daily, and they require ongoing improvement. Once again, I would like to thank Ms. Reyes for sharing her experiences and insights. I also want to thank our audience for watching this interview. I hope you gained something valuable from it, just like I did. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.